Yeah.
Blurred, standing on the edge, heart pacing like a drum, stepping on the ledge. Amygdala screaming that I gotta run away, but it's a 3D world, ain't no predators today. Name entertainment, where do I feel the weight? Shut locked up, yeah, I'm staring the gate. What if I fail? What if they judge the fall? Peel back the layers, I'm surviving it all. Not a threat, just anxiety playing tricks inside my head, shutting off the false alarm. I'm waking up today,
Breathing for hold it. Exhale the doubt, control it. The nervous system comes alive,
counting backward from 5.
I feel the shaking, but I'm taking the wheel. The panic is loud, but the danger's not real. I don't need the brave to come and save the night. I step into the dark to make my own life. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, watch me ignite. I'm moving forward, yeah, I'm winning the fight.
Frame the narrative, it's not panic, it's the thrill. Body getting energized, moving up the hill. Waiting to be ready means I'm never gonna start. Courage is the action with the heavy beating heart. Action over agony, moving through the freeze. Self-compassion for the mind, begging on its knees. Thank you for protecting me, but I am in command. Building up resilience, staking out my land, out my land, out my land. I'm breathing for holding. Exhale the doubt, control it. The nervous system resets. The logic comes alive, counting backward from 5.
I feel the shaking, but I'm taking the wheel. The panic is loud, but the danger's not real. I don't need the brave to come and save the night. I step into the dark to make my own life. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, watch me ignite. I'm moving forward, yeah, I'm winning the fight.
True courage isn't empty. True courage bears the way. I walk alongside fear, but I dictate the fate. Small steps, high stakes. Every little move I make.
Taking the wheel. Danger's not real. Fearless, taking the wheel. Danger's not real. Fearless, fearless.
Heavy beat stop, echo out.